Ramon Mangahas Lopez is a Filipino businessman who served as the Secretary of Trade and Industry under the Duterte administration from 2016 to 2022, after his term as Department of Trade and Industry Secretary. He was elected as Independent Director of SM Investments Corporation (SMIC) on August 3, 2022. Prior to his appointment as DTI Secretary, he was the Vice President and Executive Assistant to the President and CEO of RFM Corporation, having served for the company for 22 years, and Executive Director of Go Negocio of the Philippine Center for Entrepreneurship. During his stint as DTI Secretary, Lopez urged small and medium enterprises to shift to digital technology in order to become more competitive. He built partnerships with the private sector, such as with Filipino financial technology companies Industry and First Circle, to mitigate the effects of COVID-19 on the income of local businesses. Lopez topped his Master in Development Economics at Williams College in Massachusetts, 1988, and finished his of Economics degree at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, in 1981. Lopez is currently SM Investments' Independent Director and also Mangnisin's Independent Director, replacing Maple Tree Investments and Olam International Directress Maria Lane Teo. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.